Hello, friend. I'm starting my own process of awakening, healing, and transformation. I call this process radical curiosity, and I would like to share it on this channel. I've been putting off this project for probably 2 years, and I have million reasons to put it off even further. But this is not gonna happen. Today is the day. Today is the day. I would like to capture the practical side of spirituality practices and share how I live my life here in London as a student. I would like to share some travels that I love to also do. And I'm starting here in nature because I'm a nature lover, and part of this transformation is getting back to nature, discovering or maybe rediscovering the beauty, rediscovering love and acceptance. Now, to start a journey like this, first I need to be very honest myself and self-diagnose. And recently I haven't been feeling well physically and mentally either, which is also one of the reasons for starting this right now. But this is a result of unhealthy habits, unhealthy diet, drinking alcohol, smoking marijuana a bit too much, and just not having vision for life and not having a proper direction. Since I remember, I've struggled with relationships of all sorts. I've hurt people with cheating, with silence, or improper communication. And one big aspect of that process that I'm talking about is relationships. Talking about relationships, also first fundamental one is relationship with myself and my relationship to life, which clearly I've been taking for granted for probably most of my life. Now, I'm really passionate about psychology and spirituality, personal development. I've been interested in that for about 4 years now. I started in 2016 after I sort of hit my bottom, let's say, and I started to meditate since then. I've learned public speaking, which previously was just unthinkable for me to do, and I came to the point where I actually really like it now. I really like public speaking, and I realized that this is what I really love: personal development and spirituality, questioning the nature of reality, the nature of the self. I love reading books about it, gathering new knowledge. And all that to me is radical curiosity, when we challenge beliefs and transform ourselves for being more loving, kind and open. So this is the goal here. As I said, I haven't been feeling that well, and that pretty much sums up the last 2 years, where I've been just up and down, up and down. I haven't been meditating that much, and I really want to come back to all of that. What I also will be focusing on is psychedelics. This is the process of becoming a psychonaut, and at this point I only have a little bit experience with the substances, and I'm doing my own research into how they could help in the spiritual process, in the process of healing trauma, depression and all those things. The next area is body work. I have various injuries in my body, various traumas that I haven't healed, and I need to take some time to first restructure the body, develop the mindfulness practice, and only then I think I can start proper workout with proper warm-up and stretching, which I've been avoiding very often. So that goes with my elbow and shoulder, my knees, my ankles, and partially the injuries are a result of me training handball for 7 years, and I've had lots of different injuries back then which I didn't heal properly. This is also a result of me at some point running almost every day, and my knees became so bad that I had to stop running at all, and I don't know if I will be able to come back to that. However, this is a channel about curiosity, so you know, what is curiosity? Is it the art of questioning? Is it, you know, finding the answers actually? Or is it not giving up until you reach your goals? To me, curiosity is the search for profound understanding. Pretty much about everything that is to be understood, about reality, about my own self, and psychology and spirituality. It's that understanding that I've been seeking for a really long time now, more than 10 years. And I've never had proper tools and knowledge. Everything that I know and that I got to know over the last 4 years comes from my own research, my own reading, looking through YouTube, and going for seminars, doing courses and programs. And all that is good. It is good. But ultimately, I think that this journey is the inner journey, and the focus is on that here on this channel. So I want to record that process, capture everything as a way to create a sense of accountability for myself and hopefully, you know, some sort of contribution. For the world and for the people. If I could inspire one or two people, that would be the most amazing thing. If I could make some money on this, that would be even more amazing. But it starts very slowly, and we'll see where this goes. I don't have the proper plans. This is just the intro, and I will be recording some vlogs probably on a daily basis and sharing my insights, what I'm doing, what I'm reading, what I'm eating, and how I'm feeling. This will be really challenging to do, but I would like to share about the challenges as well. And I expect that there will be a lot of these on the way, whether physically, you know, emotionally. Personal development and spirituality is quite a challenging emotional labor, where you change your beliefs or you discover something that you really don't like about yourself, and then it takes a lot of maturity and consciousness to accept that. So this is my idea for this channel, and also, you know, recently some learnings and information got into my head, let's say, which claims that there is something to discover here. There is something to become conscious of, and I want to see for myself whether this is true, because what is really true? How do you know what is true? Whether it's a book or a teacher, I want to personally and directly experience what's true here. So this is a little introduction to this channel and what you could expect from it. Remember, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.